So good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about module 2 in the control engineering. So in this module we are going to discuss about modeling of physical system, analog system as well as block diagram and signal flow graphs. So these are all the things we are going to discuss over in this particular module. First we are going to discuss about the modeling of physical system. So what is the physical system? The idealized representation of physical systems is called physical model. Okay, and also here we are going to discuss about the mathematical models. So what is a mathematical model? The process of obtaining the desired mathematical description of the system is called mathematical model. Okay, and also mathematical model is the control system being a collection of several physical system which may be a mechanical, electrical, thermal, hydraulic and pneumatic types. Okay, so usually here we are going to convert the physical system into the some of the equation. Okay, then comes into the next thing, the transfer function. So what is a transfer function? So what is a transfer function? Normally simply we have to remember about the transfer function is the efficiency formula, output by input. Okay, so in this one on the remaining units we are going to find only the transfer functions. So here what is the transfer function? It is transfer function is the Laplace transform of output by Laplace transform of input with zero initial conditions, assuming all the zero initial conditions. So that is called it as transfer function. So we have to remember about Laplace transform of output by Laplace transform of input. Okay, so this is the point you should have to remember over in this transfer function. And also the formula normally we are using here as a g of s is equal to c of s by r of s is the transfer function formula over here. Always they are going to provide the input in terms of r of s and output in terms of c of s. Okay, that is the thing we are going to take the transfer function over here. That is the output by input, Laplace transform of output by Laplace transform of input. Then comes into the mathematical modeling of mechanical system. So here the mathematical modeling of mechanical system, it represents the mechanical system into the sum of the equations. Okay, sum of the mathematical equation. So that is mathematical modeling of mechanical system. So that means it will be represents the sum of the mechanical system. It will shows in terms of some other equations. Okay, so then comes into the types of mechanical system. So the mechanical system have two types. One is the translational system, second one is the rotational system. First we are going to discuss about translational system. So normally the translational system, it involves in the mechanical types, that is translatory motion. That means it moves along the straight lines or linear movement. Okay, that is called it as translational system. Then comes into the rotational system. It moves in the rotational movement, that is the rotational systems. It will be motion moves along with its rotates along with own object, that is rotational system. Okay, there is two types, translational and rotational systems. Then comes into the we will see about the translational system. The translational system having some three basic elements. Okay, so whichever mechanical system, if you take down the translational systems, there are three basic elements. One is the mass, second one will be the spring and the damper. So these are all the three elements compulsory, it will be placed on the translational systems. So these are the three major elements in the translational system. Then we are going to discuss about each and the three elements now. So first one is the mass. So if you see in this diagram, they are providing the mass over here. So here the mass is there. In the mass, the force it will be acting on here. So due to the F force it will be acting. The displacement causes on this particular mass is the x distance. Okay. So now while taking about this one, so this ideal mass elements, we are going to consider about negligible friction and negligible elasticity. Okay, so the elasticity it will be takes place in the spring, as well as the friction it will takes place in the damper. Okay, so that here F is the force, m is the mass of the object, x is the displacement causes due to acting on the force, and acceleration produced, and velocity, and t is the time. V is the velocity of the object and t is the time. Then that force is equal to mass into acceleration. As if you taking the velocity and changing acceleration into in terms of velocity, already we people know that a is equal to dv by dt. Then if dv by dt can put in this particular equation, f is equal to m into dv by dt. Already we people know that velocity convert in terms of displacement, that means x in terms of x. So v is equal to dx by dt, so that this equation it will becomes f is equal to m into d square x by dt square. Okay, so wherever this one mass is comes, we are going to substitute in this formula, that is the m into d square x by dt square. So already we people know that this formula f is equal to ma, force is equal to mass is into acceleration. Okay, so in this acceleration, a is equal to dv by dt. So that value you can substitute in this equation. So m into dv by dt. Again velocity is equal to dx by dt. V is equal to dx by dt. So that again you can substitute here. This equation it will become f is equal to m into d square x by dt square. So that wherever f is comes, you are going to substitute into the m into d square x by dt square. Then you can go to the spring. Okay, so in the spring acting, so there are two nodes will be there. So once the any other force it will be acting on the spring, what happens? It will be this node, it will be moved on to the x1 distance. This node it will be moved on to the x2 distance. So that f is equal to here, f is equal to force, x is equal to displacement, already how much distance it has moved, and k is equal to spring constant. So in this spring constant, we are going to take it as other mass and despot, ideal mass as well as ideal friction. I have to consider ideal mass and ideal friction. And here k is equal to x is equal to, because x is the total distance moved, so x1 minus x2. So here f proportional to x, f proportional to the movement of the displacement of the x, so that f is equal to kx. So here k is the spring constant, k is the spring constant. So wherever that spring constant it will becomes, we are going to substitute this formula. Not wherever the spring is coming, so there we are going to substitute f is equal to kx. Okay, then comes into the damper, next element in the damper. So damper is the element which it will be introduced the viscous friction on the mechanical system, and also it is related to the mechanical systems. And motion is opposed by friction, by viscous friction is introduced to get better response. So for this purpose, the which one is going to substitute, that is the viscous friction. Okay, then comes into the next one, ideal damper into the negligible. So here we are going to take negligible mass and negligible elasticity. Okay, so this is the dashpot, or we can also call it as damper. The force will be acting on the piston, it will be moved so that the distance it will be caused from here, that is x1, and distance caused from here, that is the point is x2. Okay, so the formula is the F is equal to B. Before that, the notation you can see that F is the force, X is the displacement, X is equal to as usual x1 minus x2, B is the damping constant, V is the velocity. So once if we substitute into the formula of F is equal to BV, B is the damping constant, and F is equal to B. The substitute B in terms of this one displacement value. So B into dx by dt. So F is equal to B into d by dt of x minus x1, x1 minus x2. Okay. So wherever the damper or dashboard that we're providing, we are going to substitute this one. Suppose in terms of only displacement only, it will be causes, not in terms of x1 and x2. Only x1 only it will be causes, means we are going to write here as a b into dx by dt. Okay, so these are all the formulas related to the three basic elements of mechanical translational system. Okay.